Gates open, they're up and racing. King of Natu, Gold B in between runners. Talaga ha, is running by the rail, then followed by Ako, ang boss, and Lady Liam is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 900. King of Natu, this time by about 3 lengths. Running in second is Gold B. Ako, ang boss, is running by the rail third, then followed by Talaga Ha and Lady Liam past the half-mile pole and now working to the final 600 with King of Natu still leading the field this time by about a length and a half. Then here comes the favorite, Ako, ang boss, now throwing a challenge on the outside and moves up to grab the lead. Ako, ang boss, with a breakaway run by about 3 lengths now. Gold B, Lady Liam now to take second by the rail as they swing for home. Ako, ang boss, leading the field. Lady Liam is on the outside second with 150 to go. Ako, ang boss, by about 3 lengths now, followed by Lady Liam and Gold B with 75 meters. It's going to be Ako, ang boss, Lady Liam, Gold B. Then comes Talaga Ha, King of Natu.
Okay, 1, 2, 4, 3, 5 ang ating unofficial order of arrival.